Hi Southern Maryland, Christina here, and I am standing in front of 44610 Bellview Court, Tall Timbers, Maryland. This beautiful 5-bedroom home is waterfront, and it is in the community of the Landings of Tall Timbers. Here you have a deeded boat slip in the private marina, private beaches, tot lot, swimming pool, and more. I want to invite you to our open house on February 3rd, beginning promptly at 11 o'clock. Please come early as we will be locking up as soon as the last guests leave.